So, andito tayo sa Hillcrest settings in New Valley. May i-check tayong bagong foreclosed vacant lot. Yung details niya ilalagay ko na lang dito sa video, paki-check na lang. Available to in cash or at least 10% spot down payment, 90% balance, bank financing, exclusive of taxes and fees. Submission of offer is first come first serve. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. So kung mapapansin ninyo, mga bahay dito hawig sa Ridgeview Estates. So this is the property. 290 square meters ang total lot area niya. Ang pinakamuhon niya is ito. Yan tubo na yan. Mula dyan hanggang dito. Saan na ba yun? Ayun. Ito. Ayun. Pinaka niya, tanda niya. Okay. And then yung depth niya hanggang dun sa may bahay na yon, sa puting bahay na yon. So ang orientation natin dito is facing southeast, and ang elevation natin dito is more than 200 meters above sea level. Mataas po dito sa Hillcrest, kaya medyo malamig dito. So may katapat na bahay na ginagawa, and meron na rin siyang mga kapitbahay. If interesado po kayo dyan sa property na yan, first come first serve po tayo. Message us directly. Below market value na yan at 30,000 per square meter. Ang presyuhan na ng mga property dito sa New Valley, if it's under Avida and Alveo, usually nasa 40,000 per square meter and up na yan. So this is already below market value. So again, if you are interested to make an offer, please message us directly. Ito yung kuya?
Sir, pala ito.
Saan ang ano niya?
Dito sir, bakal na to.
Yung bakal na yan? Tapos yung dulo niya, itong ano? Hanggang dito.
Kayo po bang plato na sir?
Hindi. Hanggang dun siya sa may bahay na yan? Ang likod niya?
Oo sir.
Ha?
Magkatalikuran sila.
Magkatalikuran sila niyang puting bahay na yan. Inibenta ng 9 million. Around 9 million. Mahal ba?
Sure sir, medyo mura na po.
Medyo mura na yon. So ito yung pinaka clubhouse nila. The function area. Andun ang admin. And then swimming pool. Adult and kiddie pool. Naka-infinity siya. And then we have basketball court. Outdoor gym, parks and playground. Andito lahat.
The carrier must
You've arrived. Destination is on your right.
into consideration while they exercise by the common carrier. Obvious naman yan. If any portion of your body is in the vehicle, naturally extraordinary diligence will be exercised. Now, La Mallorca is an old case involving a family. So a father was with
In 300 meters,
children.
turn right.
But as to the question up to when extraordinary diligence must be exercised, the leading case is La Mallorca versus Court of Appeals.
In 300 meters, turn right.
Let's test. If you are outside the leading cases, so the question is from what time up to what time mag-exercise ng extraordinary diligence. The key word here is control. Control. Control and foreseeability. Control and foreseeability. So,